Hey, check it out. These are all of the different glands that are inside of your body that secrete hormones as part of the endocrine system and help regulate homeostasis. So let's take a closer look at some of these glands. I'm going to zoom in here so that we can see these different glands, right? Here we have the pituitary, which remember has a close association with the hypothalamus, making up the hypothalamic pituitary axis. You have your anterior pituitary, which is going to secrete things like growth hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone. And then you have your posterior pituitary, right? It's made up of nervous tissue, and it's going to secrete vasopressin or antidiuretic hormone and oxytocin. Here we have the thyroid gland, and the thyroid gland secretes thyroid hormone, which helps with basal metabolism or metabolic rate. We have our adrenal gland, which secretes mineralocorticoids like aldosterone to help regulate ion levels like sodium, and it's also going to secrete the glucocorticoids or your stress hormones like cortisol. We have the male reproductive organ, the testes, which is going to secrete the male sex hormone, testosterone. We have the female reproductive organ, the ovary, which is going to secrete the female sex hormone, estrogen. We have our parathyroid glands, those little purple dots. Those are the parathyroid glands, and they're going to secrete parathyroid hormone, which help regulate blood calcium levels, along with calcitonin, which is secreted from the thyroid gland. And then last but not least, we have our pancreas, and our pancreas has an exocrine function with the GI tract, but it also has an endocrine function and secretes things like insulin and glucagon to help regulate your blood glucose levels. Right? So those are all of the different glands that are found inside of the body. If you have another model you'd like to see, drop it in the comments below. I'll see if I can get it. And go follow the YouTube channel where I go over this in a little bit more detail and show some videos on how these different hormones work inside of the body. Later.